What are you doing, Nico? Oh, you're getting on the chair, huh? Can you sit down, please? Sit down. Sit down, please. Whee! What are you doing, Nico? What are you doing? Huh? Oh my goodness, that's big work, huh? Let Grandma see you. Hi! Can you sit down, please? Whee! Yeah, you're gonna get up on the chair again? Yeah, get up there. What do you see? Huh? Is that your diaper bag? What's in there? Is that Nico's goodies? Huh? What'd you find? What's in there? Is there a pocket? Let me see. Ooh, what's in the pocket? Is there a Bubba in there? Huh? Do you need a drink? Here, Grandma gets you a drink. Let's get down. Can you say bye-bye? Huh? Can you do bye-bye? Can you get down? Good boy, Nico. See you later. Oh, you ready to go bye-byes? Yep. Let's go bye-byes, huh? Yeah.